Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to 26th Java tutorial. And as you know, I'm Shrest. So today what we are going to do is uh, we are going to make a random number generator. So before that, one thing I want to show you that in the previous tutorial, what I did is we were using the methods from the math class, but we didn't imported any class file or something as we used to in case of scanner. So what I want to tell you is that you can say math class is a inbuilt class in Java, so we don't need to import specifically those classes. So we can simply write the class name and the method we want to use, and yeah, we can use it. So for the random number generator, we need to import a method, or you can say class of Java util, under which random is a method. So let me show you what it is. So first of all, we are going to make our public main method here. So public static void main parenthesis string or square brackets sorry, and its body. So now we need a random number generator, and for that, as I told you, we are going to import our random method. So import java dot util dot random and semicolon. And as we made an object for our scanner, similarly we are going to make one for our random method here. So random, and let's name it equal to let's make a program that will roll dice. So I'm going to name it dice. Random dice equals new random parenthesis, and we are going to need our temporary variable here. So let's keep it integer and name it number. And now a for loop, int I equals 0 semicolon and condition, let's print it 6 times and increment it by 1, and its body. So now we haven't initialized our number variable here, so let me initialize it. And why I'm doing so is, by default the value of an integer is 0, integer variable, but if you are going to use the variable somewhere, you need to initialize it or give it a value. Or let me show you first. So number equals, again as we did for our scanner, we are going to mention the object name, so dice dot, and since we are taking the input as integer, so next int and its parenthesis and end it with semicolon. So what basically this line means, that from the our random number generator, take the next integer and save it into our number variable. So now number generator will generate any random number, so we are going to give it some range, or you can say a limit up to which we want to get our random number. So keep here 6, and now we are going to print our numbers. So system out println, and we are going to print number, so number and end it with semicolon, and I'm using num, so let's make it number here. And this is what I wanted to tell you, that why we need to initialize a variable. And now if I run it, as you can see, I don't know that didn't happen, but let's leave. So you can see we are getting the random number, and if you can see we are getting numbers from 0 till 5, not from 1 to 6. So as you know, the basic counting start from the 0 in our computer, so that's why it is taking range from 0 to the next 6 integers. So now what we are going to do to make it 1 to 6 is we are going to add 1 in whatever the value it is returning. So let's say if we are getting a value of 5 from our random number generator, we are going to add 1 in it and going to store it in our temporary variable. So if we get 0, we are going to get 1, and it's a cool handy trick. So let's see our output. So as you can see, now we are getting our output from 1 to 5, yeah, which is good. And if I run it again, let's see if we can get a 6. No, let's try it again. Yeah, I'm not lucky. So that's how our dice works, and that's how we use you can say random event generators in our games and stuff. So again, it was a handy little program that I wanted to show. So practice it a little bit or play around with it, and see you guys in the next video.